All right. Good morning, grade 8. So it is Wednesday, February the 19th. Um, if you have not been outside or haven't felt it, it is quite chilly this morning. Last night I was actually able to see my breath, which I don't remember all of last year being able to see my breath. So it means it was pretty cold. Trivia time. Does anybody know what this kind of hat is called in Canada? Any guesses? It is called a toque, which is a French word. People from the United States call it a beanie. I don't know why they call it that. This is a toque. Okay, so cold weather, you wear a toque. All right, let's go over our work for this morning. So, hope you're doing well. Hope you got caught up yesterday using that catch up day. This is the last set of notes that you'll need to do for the research essay. So you'll find this document on PowerSchool Learning, okay, in the regular spot. So really important at this point in the note-taking time that you start thinking about your essay, okay? So you need to start thinking what reasons do I have for the Great Depression, or what reasons do I have for the Dust Bowl? That is what we're going towards. So it's not just general research. You got to be doing kind of targeted research, okay? So we've been doing one source per day, and this is the fourth day of research. Tomorrow will be kind of not a review day, but we'll be doing something with those notes, more targeted work. I'm going to use Hazel's as an example. Sorry, Hazel, but I just picked you. Anyways, so yesterday, or sorry, on Monday, you were supposed to do this chart. So Hazel's done that well. So she knows that she's got a website, an ebook, and an encyclopedia. So that's good. Now, you'll notice that on the side of Hazel's, I've put some comments here, okay? And you really need to look at those comments because we've looked at your notes and given you some targeted feedback on what you need to do, okay? So here's an example of one. Let me scroll down. Okay, so this is about banks failing. So I've said to Hazel, this is a good observation. This could be used as reason number one when it gets time to write your thesis. Your thesis is going to have 3 reasons, and this could be one of them. So what you now need to do, and I'm just going to scroll down with Hazel's, as she's got 3 sources done. You now need to do on your source number 4, you want to be specific. Find some information on bank failures. What happened? What are some examples that showed bank failures? Or can you give an example of a specific person that had a bank failure? So that's what I mean about doing targeted research. On source number 4, you don't want to just pick something general. You want to pick something that you are already focused on. So you're like, 2 of my sources already told me that there's bank failure. So I know that there's bank failure. I now need to find some examples of what happened to people. Or maybe it's unemployment. So you now need to think of some examples, or find some research that says what somebody's story was, what their story of unemployment was. Okay, so that's really the purpose for today. That's what you want to do. Now, the bottom of here, just a little cartoon to get your mind thinking about what was the Great Depression like, what was bank failure like, okay? So, hope you're doing well. Make sure to email us if you're not sure of what to do. We'll respond to you as soon as we can, and I hope you have a good day. All right.